So we just got to the 4th floor, and our room is just here. 412, and then we just scan the room, put the card in. So there we have the bathroom, and this is the room itself. Got big mirror there, nice double bed, got a phone, settee, little desk chair, and like a little desk there with another mirror. Nice big television. Got a view, probably not the best view, but I'm not too fussed about that. Not going to be in the room all that much. If we come back this way, so we have the bathroom here, looks very nice. Toilet, sink, nice big shower, and we've got conditioners, shampoo and body wash there. Also some hand gel and stuff there. Towels just here. And if I come back out this way, this door here closes for the bathroom, but then also opens up for the cupboard, and we've got ironing board, and I think that's a hairdryer just up there. So that is the hotel at York, and I've completely forgot the name of the hotel, which is Hampton by Hilton. I knew I'd forget something. So I hope you've all enjoyed, and I shall see you all again in a memento.